Thank you for joining us at xm.com for today's market comment by Haralambos Pisuros. I'm Maria Bashurdiz. The US dollar pulled back against most of the other major currencies on Wednesday, gaining ground only against the yen and closing the day virtually unchanged against the kiwi and the loonie. Today, the greenback is down against all its counterparts. Despite the ups and downs in the dollar during the last couple of days, investors maintain a firm view that the Fed will lower borrowing costs by around 140 basis points this year, assigning a nearly 70% probability for the first quarter-point reduction in March. However, that view will be put to the test today when the US CPI numbers for December will be released. The core CPI is expected to have slowed further to 3.8% year-over-year from 4.0%, but the headline rate is seen ticking up to 3.2% year-over-year from 3.1%. Remarks by New York Fed President Williams that it's too soon to call for rate cuts were ignored by market participants yesterday, but a rebound in headline inflation and a core rate still nearly double the Fed's objective could eventually prompt them to reconsider their view on the Fed's future policy path and thereby lower the probability of a March rate reduction, which could prove positive for Treasury yields and the US dollar. The yen was the only currency against which the dollar secured significant gains yesterday. Perhaps this was due to Japanese data revealing on Wednesday that wage income slowed from 1.5% year-over-year to 0.2% in November, the slowest pace in nearly 2 years. Combined with a slowdown in the Tokyo CPI data on Tuesday, this release suggests that BOJ policymakers are not in a rush to take interest rates out of negative territory. They may prefer to wait for the outcome of the spring wage negotiations. All three of Wall Street's main indices rebounded yesterday, with the Nasdaq gaining the most, as tech giants were once again the biggest boost. NVIDIA hit a new record high after fellow chipmaker TSMC beat revenue expectations, adding to the notion that AI-related future growth opportunities are not fully priced in yet. In the crypto world, the Securities and Exchange Commission approved 11 applications for Bitcoin-backed exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Bitcoin gained slightly on the announcement, but it pulled back soon thereafter to close the day with only 1.2% gains, perhaps as the decision was already priced in. Thanks for watching today's market comment here at xm.com.